Should I go? I'm gonna go. Honey!
What?
Guess where we're going?
Pizza place.
No.
Oh. What?
We're going to your favorite place, Ulta! I am going to be doing a little like skincare survival kit out of products from the store and also products that are going to be available for a special deal this month. So we are going to be running in store. I actually had some products sent to me from Ulta, but I want to check it out myself. And like I said, go in store. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. Okay, we're here. Am I holding it?
No.
How about now?
Way higher. And this way. Higher. A little higher. Right there.
We're here. Okay, so we're gonna be checking out the Love Your Skin event. It goes on from January 6th to the 26th. So I know they have like 50% off some of the most popular skincare products they have, but I wanted to go in store and check it out. Why not? So I got sent this, but you could tell it's a good one because it's empty, the tester is. So, good thing I have that at home. I love this stuff. It's so good. I wanted to try this, so I think I'm gonna try it. Whoa. Look how big their Korean skincare selection is. Selections. Layering mask. Oh, what's this one? Pudding mask? Pudding mask? Okay. So I picked up a couple additional products because I couldn't help myself, but I've got some at home, so I kind of made a little kit that I'm going to be sharing with you guys. I'm trying some new products out myself that I've heard a lot about, but I'm also adding in some of my tried and true. So let's carry on, shall we? Go. Okay. Bye! Okay, so we are back at my house and I'm gonna share with you guys the products I picked up as well as the reasoning behind my choices, why I'm putting them in this little kit, a mini review / which products and brands are going to be part of the Love Your Skin event. So if you guys want to save some money and pick up some of these products while the event's going on, you guys can do so. So let's go ahead and start off with the products themselves. So the first product that I picked out for my skincare survival kit is a cleansing balm. Now, cleansing for me is very important because it's essentially the foundation of a skincare routine. If you haven't properly cleansed your skin, then the products you apply afterwards are not going to absorb and work effectively. So it's really important to make sure that your skin is nice and ready and prepped for the skincare to follow. I personally employ a double cleansing method whenever I cleanse my skin, and if you're not familiar, the quick breakdown of double cleansing is using cleansing balm cleansing oil on your skin first, letting that emulsify, rinsing that off, and then following up with a cleanser. I'm actually pretty familiar with eNature in general as a brand. I'm actually a fan of some of their other products, and this is one of their best selling products. And if you were like me, and when you first read this, were like, what the heck's a moringa? Moringa is actually known for its purifying effect. It's actually nicknamed the purifying tree. So when it comes to cleansing, obviously that's something that you're gonna want when it comes to your cleansing balm. And this is one of those sherbet texture type of products. Definitely part of my survival kit to have my cleansers. And for my cleanser, I actually picked up this cleanser from Philosophy. Now, you guys saw me in that little clip in the beginning of the video picking this out at Ulta, but I've seen a lot of people online and YouTube talk about this. YouTube made me buy it. And this is actually the first Philosophy skincare product I've tried. I want to branch out and try different products, so I felt like this was a good opportunity to do so. If you guys want to try Philosophy yourself, I know that their micro delivery products are part of the Love Your Skin event. So of course, when it comes to a skincare survival kit, I have to have a cleanser to, again, remove the rest of the makeup, dirt, oil, grime, whatever is left over on my skin. I've tried this a couple times, so far so good. It doesn't have a super crazy lather to it. It has a fragrance-free formula, which for those of you guys who might be sensitive to fragrances, I know is a definite bonus. And as I try this out more, I will definitely let you guys know how my experience is. Okay, this is another like cleansing product, I guess, technically, and it is the Lancome Bifacil Double Action Eye Makeup Remover. Now, this is part of the Love Your Skin event. I basically picked this up because I needed a restock, so I figured what better opportunity than to pick it up while it's on special. So this was actually part of my favorite skincare products for 2018. I love this makeup remover, and for me personally, I have to make sure I remove all the makeup, especially around my eyes, with a Q-tip. So even though I do my double cleansing method, sometimes I'll have like eyeliner left in between the lashes, and I go back in with a Q-tip and remove the rest of the residue with this. But this is a super awesome makeup remover. It seriously breaks up the most stubborn makeup, including like eyelash glue, and I love that it's not super abrasive or harsh on my eyes because my eyes are super sensitive and it doesn't burn or anything, which is always a bonus when it comes to using anything around your eyes. So I got me a little another one as a backup basically. Now when it comes to a skincare survival kit, I decided to go with something that would moisturize my skin but be a little bit more multi-purpose friendly. So I picked out this guy here. This is from Julep, and this is the Boost Your Radiance Reparative Rosehip Seed Facial Oil. Now this is actually going to be available on the Love Your Skin event, specifically on January 19th, which is also when those Philosophy micro delivery products are going to be available. But I picked this out because, again, I've actually used this before in the past, and I'm warming up again to the ideas of using facial oils on my skin. This one in particular is really nice because it helps with the recovery of the skin. So it's helpful if you have dehydrated skin, but you also need something that's going to restore the skin. And oils are multi-use because you can not only use them for moisturizing your skin, but I also use them when it comes to like doing facial massages or toning my skin. So if you're the type of person who wants to kind of minimize their skincare routine and not have like a ton of steps, I would recommend checking out facial oils. So this next product that I picked out is actually from Peach and Lily, and I actually didn't realize they had such an extensive skincare line, so I wanted to dip into that and try it out. And this is the Super Reboot Resurfacing Mask. Now if you guys saw my recent video where I talked about some of my skincare resolutions, I talked about adding more actives and anti-aging products into my skincare routine. So my thought behind this was, since it has an AHA and a BHA, it's an all-encompassing chemical exfoliant type of product. So I wanted to pick it up and try it. I haven't actually had enough experience with this yet to give you guys my yay or nay, but I've read a lot of really good things about Peach and Lily online in general. So again, I'm really excited to try this out. Hopefully it'll help with my fine lines and anti-age my skin, but we shall see. So this was kind of my thinking behind adding this to my survival kit. Not only was it a product I wanted to try, and I'm always down to try some new Korean skincare, but it's also a product that, as a resolution for me personally, I wanted to incorporate in my everyday habitual skincare routine. Now, of course, my last products for my skincare survival kit are some sheet masks or masks in general. So I picked up these two. They're both from Tony Moly. They actually had a super extensive variety and selection of sheet masks in store at Ulta, but I picked these two out. And this first one is the Pudding Jelly Mask Sheet, and then the other one that I picked up from Tony Moly is the I'm Green Tea Layering Mask. So it has two different segments here. This top one is a slice patch, or what they refer to as a slice patch, and it looks like it's got little under eye patches and smile line patches, as well as the full sheet mask. So for me personally, if you haven't tried a sheet mask, have you been living under a rock? When it comes to masks like this, they're super multifunctional. You can use them if you've had like a long day in the sun or you want to relax. You can throw them in the fridge and kind of use them to cool down your skin. Yeah, I mean, like I said, these are of course part of a survival skincare kit for me. Alright guys, so that is my skincare survival kit. Obviously all of these products are available at Ulta, and if you guys want to check out what products and brands are part of the Love Your Skin event, I will leave a link down below so you guys can check that out and either stock up on some products you love or try some new ones out like me. And I will also leave links for the products that I mentioned in this video, and let me know if you guys have tried some of these products or if you tried any of the other products that are part of the event, because maybe I need to do another trip and pick some more products up. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and as always, I hope you guys are happy and healthy, and don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, share with your friends and family, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!